Welcome to Beyond Super. I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have this Raagini Digital Electronic Tanpura. I just wanted to show you that this unit is functioning. This is not a demo of any sort. Just wanted to show how these buttons are working, and that's pretty much it. So here we go. So first thing is it's got a volume on button here. So all the way to the left is off, and turning this to the right provides an increase of volume. And then you've got some switches to change keys. Alright, that's pretty much it. Again, just wanted to quickly show you that this unit is functioning and functioning properly. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.